While much of next year will be focused on protecting the world from dangers on Earth, some scientists will be focusing on how to defend the planet from threats in outer space. In July 2021, NASA will launch the world's first trial in planetary defense.
Basically, we're purposely slamming a spacecraft into an asteroid to move it a little bit. And this is the sort of thing that you might want to do if an asteroid was on a course to hit the Earth.
This might sound like the plot of a Hollywood blockbuster, but the threat of an asteroid hitting Earth is real.
A tiny asteroid streaking across southern Russia.
Just 7 years ago, an undetected meteor exploded over the Russian city of Chelyabinsk, injuring at least 1,200 people.
I think the Chelyabinsk impact really brought a lot of visibility to the fact that this is something that happens to the Earth all of the time. If something like that happens over a large city, you can get this sort of unfortunate devastation. Something that's Chelyabinsk size happens every few decades to maybe 100 years or so. As you go up to something that's a bit bigger, sort of 160 meters, that's more rare, but the amount of damage that it would cost could potentially wipe out a large region, perhaps a small country, if it was over one of those. This is a rare event, but the consequences are so big and devastating that it really makes sense to take a step to do something about it.
NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, will practice defending Earth by altering the course of an asteroid using what's known as kinetic impactor technology.
This asteroid is not a threat to the Earth. It's not going to hit the Earth in the foreseeable future. But we do know that Earth is hit by asteroids all the time. And so we really want to take this first step to develop the technology to do something about that if we needed to in the future.
The target is the asteroid Didymos, which is orbited by a smaller asteroid, Dimorphos. The DART spacecraft will hit the moonlet, adjusting its path and shortening its orbit by several minutes. The impact will happen in 2022, when the asteroid is close enough to Earth for scientists to be able to study the change in momentum using powerful telescopes. The DART mission is just one part of a wider, worldwide effort in planetary defense.
Knowing where everything is really a crucial foundation for planetary defense, is finding all the asteroids, tracking them, and then being ready to do something about them. In order to take that next step and turn what was science fiction into a reality of being able to do something about asteroids.
The probability of a giant asteroid hitting Earth is extremely small. But if 2020 has shown anything,